All right, y'all, Part B. Boy, these Part A, Part B things are becoming pretty popular here at the old RPM China shop, haven't they? Man, that thing looks good. I don't think I could be any happier than how that fits. The clearance we have. I haven't sat in it yet, but I don't foresee any trouble here. None at all. Got plenty of room for our clutch lever there. Right? It's up. I wanted the little zippity doodah to be just above the steering wheel. Yeah, man, I'm super duper happy. Super happy. I called these people, or I actually sent them a text message. It's Racing Images Graphics. They are in Australia. They got a whole set. The whole KF is a brand of chassis. They got the whole sticker kit. When I saw the whole go-kart and those stickers, man, I was. It's a different nose and a different driver panel. So I sent them pictures of what I have. The Dynamica nose, and the same goes with the driver fairing. So it's I don't know what number it is. It doesn't matter. It's the Dynamica is the name of the model. So I've got them looking into it. If they don't have a sticker kit that'll fit this stuff, since they can print this orange, shouldn't be an issue to make me up some orange and some blue, and I can put on my own. Sweet. Yeah, sweet. The Kart in the picture does have this same pod on, so it did have that. I'm sure they could make those again if I wanted them. Would be nice to have it all, but with none of this. Obviously none of this. And maybe take the KF card off and put RPM on there. Oh, we're looking at another $300 in sticker kits again, man. Although the other one there, that one was only a $200 deal. It was $199 or something. But, man, I'm super happy with that. I love it. That looks cool, man. It looks super duper cool. Glad everything started falling into place here. Yeah. Yep. It's looking good. We're super happy. And of course, I had a bunch of these little, I don't know what you call them, these conical things or whatever. They're aluminum. These were all black, so you know it's a fashion show. How much of a fashion show? That much of a fashion show. I spray painted those bad boys after I sanded them down real quick with the Scotch Brite. Let me turn the big bright light on. After I sanded them down with this here right in the cordless drill, just held the button on and zzz, just knocked it off real quick, and went ahead and put them on that piece of cardboard and sprayed them gold. You know, it's got to match the motif, man. Got to match the motif. That thing looks tough, doesn't it? It looks. Wait till I get the stickers on this thing. It's gonna look so fast. It's gonna fly right out of the trailer all by itself. Yee, doggies, Uncle Jed. Check it out. Check it. Get a good look at it now, Bob. Because all you're gonna see is a vapor trail coming right off the back of this thing. I might save this just to put a little note for Bob on here. All right, man. That's it. Gonna get inside and get some dinner going for the wife. She's on her way home. She just called. So we'll put this one in the can with a little Jeff Healy on the radio from the Sarnia, Canada radio station. Godspeed. God bless. Hang in there, y'all. I'm praying for you. Pray for me. I'm gonna need it too. I'm human, just like the rest of you. At least I hope you're all humans. Hang in there. It'll get better. You know why. Jesus is coming. Hopefully, like I said, right after I get a ride in this bad boy. Won't be long now. See y'all.